how to paste a picture from Clipboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, go into your picture gallery, or in the app screen, open up gallery. Now make sure you go back to your gallery homepage. And from here, we're going to select a picture and we'll copy it to the gallery. So here, I'll try to copy this picture. So I tap on copy. Now it is copied to the clipboard. Now to paste it from the clipboard, open up the app that you want to use. So for example, I can open up Note. In here, I'm going to tap on my keyboard, tap on the clipboard icon right there, and then simply select the pictures that you want to paste. And you can paste it into your Note. We can paste it into text messages. Here in my text messages, I can then open up my clipboard and I can paste and I can send it. I can also paste it into another pictures in gallery. So if I open up my gallery here, I can then tap on the more button and tap on paste from clipboard. Here I can paste this camera. Into these pictures and then tap on saved copy. If I go back to my gallery here, you can see I can paste the pictures onto another picture. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.